Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Matthew Brown out of Florence with Elite Euro Audio. 18.515s, 4.6Ks. Bassaholics brought 4th, Drew Jones, 2CS 320s. Dustin Gunnarsson, C-Max 135.
Nice. Looks really good.
Let's see.
Nice roof work. You have any issues with your glass popping or anything?
Yeah, I keep popping it. I've done popped it. Oh, jeez, I don't even know. Last time you heard it, I was only at. I was breaking everything in because we built this thing in 7 days before sundown last year.
Yes, sir.
And now it's rowdy. But I just took the door panel off to get the window up. I didn't want to take it off.
Yeah, no, man, you're good. Wow.
I appreciate it, dude.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, man. Congratulations. I know y'all got engaged, what, a couple
Yes,
months
sir.
ago?
Yes, sir.
Y'all already got married or no?
Oh, we're married now.
Oh,
yeah.
dude, awesome,
Time
man.
flies. You know how it is.
Dude, you ain't lying. That's the truth, man.
Yes, sir. Is your back open still? Can I look at it real quick?
That's still open. Yeah, man.
Woo. Have you done any kind of door work yet? Like extreme door work with like metal welding on it or foaming or concrete?
I'll probably do an extreme cabin next year. A daily extreme is what I'll do.
Yeah.
So
You'll do a little bit more metal work or something?
Yeah. Nothing crazy like Hernandez and all them, but
yeah, you'll still just something to make it where the base doesn't break and tear to where you can't work on it.
I'm going through. That's my 6th door, so
yeah. Oh man. Yes, sir.
Wow.
I appreciate it, bro. Thank you, man.
You too. Yes, sir. Woo! What's going on, everybody? I'm Jake Cavile. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around. We got a Matthew system. This was at the Ruckus and Chill Fayetteville, North Carolina show. Be sure to comment what you like about a system and give it a like. Really crazy bass demo we're going to be getting to. I really like the whole layout of the box. Efficiently fitting 8 15-inch subs in a bandpass box, probably around a 2 or 3 to 1 ratio. Really musical and windy. You're going to see actually door open hair tricks. So these are 4 of the 6,000 watt RMS amps. Of course, it is 24,000 watts of power rated. Of course, it's probably putting more out than that. I didn't find out if he was ran at half ohm or 1 ohm. Sorry about that. But I like these fans. I put a link in the description if you want to kind of see where you can get these. These are Atwood cooling fans. They really cool off the amplifiers when they get hot. Always recommend to put them on if you're able to. And of course, it is a little bit loud, but it gets the job done. I like the actual speaker layout too he has in the back. I know he's done some changes and upgrades since this video, but I'm still glad to share. I haven't posted this video yet, so this is the first time sharing. I don't ever really do re-uploads as well. I have so many systems to come, there's no need for me to do that. So you got to stay tuned for a lot more demos to come as well. This is the specs I was looking up online of the ZV515. It's rated between 2,000 and 2,500 watts RMS conservatively, and a really big high X max on these subs. And being inverted helps with the cooling of this since it is a 4th order and there's a sealed section underneath. So as I said, this is 24,000 watts on total 8 15-inch subs. Dangerous bass demo we're about to get to, really windy. If you haven't already, welcome to my channel. Hit the subscribe button for daily videos every day and enjoy the demo.
door with this
Yeah,
shut.
It's pretty violent, dude. But I just took the door panel off to get the window up. I didn't want to take it off.
Yeah, no, man, you're good.
I
Wow.
appreciate it, dude.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Man.